is bringing back this one accessory after more than a decade has passed because now we need it more than ever. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. In a nostalgic yet forward-thinking move, Apple's reportedly bringing back one of its most unique accessories, the bumper case. According to sources, the upcoming iPhone 17 Air, which is rumored to be Apple's thinnest iPhone ever, will be launched alongside a sleek bumper case designed specifically for its ultra-slim profile. Unlike standard phone cases, bumpers protect only the edges of a device, leaving the back fully exposed. It's a minimalist approach that's set to complement the iPhone 17 Air's lightweight and ultra-thin body without the risk of its damage. Don't bumper cases ring a bell? Well, that's because Apple first introduced bumper cases with the iPhone 4 back in 2010. The original bumper became a surprising symbol of Apple's agility during the antenna gate saga, when signal issues made the company to distribute them for free. Apple doesn't want to take the risk now, so 15 years later, bumpers brought back, not out of necessity, but to make the iPhone keep its lightweight charm. And there's more. Alongside bumper, Apple's also working on a special battery case for the iPhone 17 Air. According to The Informer, the new battery case is expected to provide extra time to the battery life, so you don't have to carry a power bank everywhere. Both accessories are set to launch alongside the full iPhone 17 lineup this September, giving users new ways to protect and power their devices. What do you think about the new yet old edition? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.